You might have seen this diorama that I made with the little 040 pug. And the dad and his son out train spotting and checking up on the sheep. Now the thing is, it's been sitting on a shelf unprotected while I searched for a suitable case for it. Well, I found one. I recently found this on Timu, and I'm going to put it together and then see how the diorama looks inside it. I'm just going to move this to the side while I build the box. Okay. So if I follow the instructions here, it says it contains 6 pieces and 1 pack of rubber bands. Tear off the protective film on both sides. Join 2 different sections together and use rubber bands for stabilisation. Repeat this operation to obtain a framework. Put it on the base and cover it with the lid. Well, sounds simple enough, then let's see. I guess this is the base, so set this one aside. And then we'll start the process. Taking the protective cover off and then trying to make a box out of it. It goes in with inserts into a slot. Anyway, I'm going to put the top, or at least the bottom one, and then we'll go from there.